Hello folks. Welcome to my channel Online Maths Tutoring. Learn maths with fun. Today we're going to learn subtraction in a simple and fun way. Let's begin. Question is 74 minus 51. To solve this problem, first we do subtraction of the ones place digits. On the ones place we have 4 and 1. Now what is 4 minus 1? It's 3. Next to subtraction of the tens place digits. What is 7 minus 5? It is 2. Answer is 23. That is 74 dash. 51 is equal to 23. Next question is 38 minus 26. Try it yourself. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Comment your answers below. Press the bell icon for more fun math videos. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Scan QR code to visit my website and book a free trial class if you would like to join my online tutoring classes.